Transform your ideas into captivating AI-powered conversations that move and engage like never before with Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into creating your first talking video first. Navigate to the Higgsfield AI platform and select the Create Talking Video option. You'll be presented with a selection of stunning AI avatars browsed through the diverse range of characters, each with unique styles and appearances. And choose the one that best suits your content, whether you're aiming for a professional presentation or a fun, engaging tutorial. There's an avatar for every purpose. Once you picked your perfect digital presenter, it's time to bring them to life with your voice. Higgsfield AI offers powerful voice cloning capabilities. You can either upload your own pre-recorded audio file or use our advanced text-to-speech engine to generate a natural-sounding voice for the most personalized touch. Consider using the voice cloning feature. Simply upload a short audio sample of your voice, and the AI will replicate your intonation and delivery, making your talking video incredibly authentic. Next, we'll focus on the crucial element lip-syncing. Higgsfield AI automatically synchronizes the chosen avatar's mouth movements to your audio. You can fine-tune this process by adjusting the lip-sync sensitivity to ensure a natural and precise match. But it's not just about the mouth. Expression is key to conveying emotion and personality. Explore the expression customization options. You can select from a library of preset emotions or fine-tune subtle facial cues to add depth and realism to your avatar's performance. Want your AI to smile while delivering good news, or a thoughtful frown during a complex explanation? Higgsfield AI gives you the control to imbue your digital human with the perfect emotional tone, making your video truly compelling and relatable. With your avatar selected, audio ready, and expressions dialed in, you're now ready to generate your talking head video. Hit the render button and watch as Higgsfield AI transforms your input into a professional, engaging digital human presentation. It's that simple to create realistic talking videos for your tutorials, presentations, or any creative endeavor. Start bringing your messages vibrantly to life with Higgsfield AI today.